Hello guys, today I will be unboxing this buggy remote control system. It was brought by my mom and dad because my other one was brought to my mom and dad's home country, the Philippines. So I will be unboxing this on my own. I'll be unboxing this RC car on my own. So we'll need some batteries and a screwdriver and of course the car itself with the RC remote control. And I bought this thing on eBay. So we will be opening it. Sorry guys, there was just a bit of stuff happening, so my dad just cut off the ribbon, so we're really sorry. So the main features were a double motor, full-time, strong power, superior performance, and independent suspension structure, easy to adapt a variety of harsh environments and outdoor travel. So let's see this. Look at this. Looks so good. Here's the remote. Look at this, guys. It's the remote. Okay, so let's get going. Oh no, this is the wrong screwdriver.
Oh no!
Let me try it on this one. Oh no, this is the wrong screwdriver.
A few moments later.
So guys, it was just a bit of stuff happening. My dad had to screw off the screws here. So let's get to work. So we'll try and open this. Okay. Now this is where these come in, I think. So guys, we didn't know this, but it actually had its own battery. But this one didn't. So the RC remote didn't have it. So we'll just put it in. Okay, so we got that out. I'm just gonna put the batteries in. So it should look like this, guys. Then we'll just close it. Just slides right on. So I'll just open it. Okay. So I think this. That goes like that. What happened? So, what do we do here? Okay, let's read the instructions. Are these even instructions? No, these are not instructions. Where are the instructions then? Okay, oh no, there's no instructions. I think the instructions are here. Okay, I don't understand this. So guys, we actually know that now. It's a rechargeable battery. So I'll just switch this on. Guys, the light is on. Let's check it out. Wait, is this one on? Okay, they're both on. Guys, look at this. It's moving. Okay, that's enough with that. We'll have... Okay, we can't lose this. So I'll just put it back inside its box. Oh. And then I will just attach this. Then I'll just attach this. And... do I know even how to put these in? Okay, it's in, guys. Let's test it out. Kind of scary. Can it turn? Whoa! Goes fast. Oh my! Let's go! This goes really fast. It's very fast. It's really fast. I can't control it. So let's just turn it here. Okay. Let's try it out on the camera. So guys, we found out it actually works and it's really, really, really fast. Even when it's backwards, it can go fast too. And the string works really well too. Like this. Like this. And this. So it's really fun to play with. So I think this is a... So like, let's try it out a bit on the table. Okay. Oh my god. So it can really run everywhere. So it can we might test it out soon. So but click that notification bell, that subscribe and subscribe and drop a like on every video. So anyways, bye.